Hello guys, I'm Sarah and welcome to my YouTube channel High Tech. And as you know, I'm learning English, so whatever I learn I can share it here with you. Okay. Yesterday I was learning a new phrasal verb and I thought it was really interesting for me and maybe for you. So today we're going to talk about it and we're going to learn a super common phrasal verb that is come around. It has a few different meanings and today I'm going to explain the differences and show you how to use each one. Okay, let's go. So come around has a few different meanings, but let's focus on the three most common ones. Okay, first, to become conscious again after fainting. Let's see an example. Like what? For example, he fainted, but he came around a few minutes later. It means he woke up after being unconscious. Second one, to visit someone informally at their home or a specific location. What does it mean? It's like going to their home or a specific place just to hang out or say hi. Okay? For example, why don't you come around later? It means come and visit me casually. Okay? And last one, to be convinced or change one's mind. What does it mean? It means, for example, you made a decision and I say, okay, I don't agree with you. Okay, please change your idea, your decision. Like what? For example, she didn't like the idea at first, but she eventually came around. It means she changed her idea. Let's see some examples. First of all, to become conscious again after fainting. After the accident, the driver didn't come around for several minutes. His brother said, I hope he comes around soon. See? Second one, to visit someone informally. You can see Sarah said, feel free to come around this evening if you're not busy. We're just watching a movie. Last one, to become convinced or change one's mind. Your idea for a hamster power flying school is insane. Rika, please just come around your idea. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you and now it's your turn. Give me some examples of come around. Okay, bye bye.